So what are the updates to Instagram and why right now is the best time to use Reels? So the first update that Instagram is implementing soon is the search keyword. So instead of searching for a specific hashtag and you only see the post to that hashtags, now what's happening and will be implemented soon by Instagram is that, for example, you just search for marketing and it will show you all the pages that does marketing and all the contacts that for marketing, and you do not have any more to go to specific hashtag. It will show you all the hashtags, all the keywords that related to marketing. So that's a very good update that's coming up, especially for the content creators. They're going to be using this to find the hashtags that are related to marketing, what are the pages that are doing marketing. So it'll be easier to find contact for your page, and also it'll be easy for the people who are looking specifically for marketing to find your contact. So that's a very good update that's coming up, and that'll be the first update. So because of Instagram just came up with Reels, they are trying to make people to watch more Reels. So by doing Reels video right now, it's very important because that would mean that Instagram will push your video to as much people as they can, and that means that a lot of people will view your contacts and they'll be able to find your contacts through Reels. So Reels right now is really good asset to use, and it's a very good opportunity to use to increase your reach and also reach more people. So if you have not yet used Reels into your business, find a way to look at other people who in you're interested in using Reels and kind of figure out the idea on how to use it. I will be also making a video specifically on how to find contact for Reels and how to video it and edit it and post it for Reels, so that way you can attract more people. But it'll be in the coming video, so please, if you're not subscribed, make sure to turn on the notification and hit the like button, and also share it with your friends, so that way a lot of people can benefit from it and your friends can benefit from it as well. The new update that Instagram just did, Reels used to be up to only 15 seconds, but now they have increased it into 30 seconds. Hopefully they increase it soon to 60 seconds, but at the moment you have 30 seconds to do it. And again, if you're not sure how to video a 30 seconds reel and how to implement it, I'll be posting next video about how to do Reels. It'll be due next week on Friday, so stay tuned. And I'll show you exactly how to go step by step by videoing Reels, how to edit, how to make sure it shows in the right place, and all of this benefits. So make sure to subscribe below and turn on the notification. The new update, and this is more for people who are selling products, you'll be able to tag a product in your Reels soon, and also tag a product into your actual post. So that's something that's coming up soon to the Instagram, especially for the people who have shops or they are selling products online, e-commerce or other products. They will be able to have that shopping place in Instagram itself. They saying that they probably will be allowing people to buy from Instagram, but only in US at the beginning, just as a test, and then it will expand to other countries. But that's a new update that's coming very soon, so stay tuned, especially if you are if you have a e-commerce business or you sell products specifically. It's a very good update that will help you. And remember, you can even tag your product in your Reels video, which is right now it's basically racking a lot because a lot of people are watching Reels, and Instagram is actually helping the content creators to push their Reels so people can see more of their Reels and stay on Instagram. So always remember, guys, by posting constantly, even once a day, that will help you, because Instagram is basically wants people to stay on their products or on their platforms, just as YouTube is also wants their people to stay on their platform. So Instagram will help you to do that, and they are helping people to push their Reels because obviously they want the Reels to now go like hit the top, and they want their reels to be increased by watching people more. So basically, keep boosting reels and keep boosting stories, also contacts. And I'll be making a whole video about how to boost contacts and how to schedule your contact as well, but it might be in the week after. But for next week, I'll be posting a video about how to basically do your reels specifically right now. So before we go, if you are ready to impact the world, but you're not sure how to start and where to start, and you want to become a business owner or content creators, but you're not sure what to do, where to start, how you should be doing this, how to find your target audience, all of these stuff, you have all of these questions, I do offer one-on-one consulting and one-on-one coaching personally. So if you are interested in one-on-one coaching, make sure to check my website at the bottom, and also to check my Instagram where you can DM me. And also do not forget to follow me on Instagram, because I share there also more tips about how to build your contact, how to do all of these things. So stay tuned and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in the next video, and do not forget, next video will be about how to implement a Reels strategy and how to actually come up with the idea, video it, and edit it, so that way you can reach more people. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Oh, I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on.